Before you came round, my heart would never be much fun.
Hey guys, it's me Maddie and welcome back to the first video of 2018. So I thought I would start this New Year's off with a makeup video just to give you guys some ideas if you wanted a fresh start of makeup looks. So I have 3 looks for you guys. But just to put this out there, you guys do not have to do any of this. You guys are perfect just the way you are. So all of this is just if you would like to do it. I'm not pressuring you guys into doing any of these looks, but if you guys do recreate them, that would be amazing, and just tag me in my Instagram and I will be sure to like the picture and comment. So yeah. Just so you guys as well know, 2018 is going to be a big year. I have a bunch of stuff coming up, a bunch of plans. I will be putting my heart out to YouTube. So I'm so excited. I can't wait for what this year has to come. And yeah, so thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so in the winter, my skin gets really dry, so I use a lot of moisturizers. So I'm going to be using my Garnier Skin Active Moisturizing Balm, and I'm just taking this and getting some of it on my fingers and just rubbing it.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face.
So I'm using this Pore Perfecting Exfoliator, so I'm just dabbing it right where I have like my acne scars and that kind of stuff.
Tell me that you love me.
Next, I will be using my Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Just putting that under my eye, and it helps really get the dryness underneath my eye and lifts up the dark circles. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is I'm going to be using my Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Makeup Primer.
You've been out on.
Okay, so first off, for foundation, since we are going with a very natural looking look for winter time in school, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. My shade is in shade 220, in case you guys are wondering.
I don't know where you've been. You're slurring all your words. Not make.
This foundation is very light, but also does have a lot of coverage. So I love using this in school because you don't feel like your face is caked, but you're having the right amount of coverage.
At all. 'Cause I have hella feelings for you.
So now I'm going to be going in with my NYX Got You Covered concealer. I'm going to be using my Airbrush Concealer brush, and I'm just dabbing it and then putting it under my eye. I like to put it in a little triangle. After that, I go in with my Detailed Blending applicator and just kind of blend it all out. So I'm going in with these small beauty blenders that are also erasers, just to kind of pick up any extra concealer or stuff that I didn't need. So after I do the concealer under my eye, I'm going to be setting my base for my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. The 3 looks that I'm going for. So this one, a very natural base, and then we'll be adding in highlighters, contouring. I will show you guys some different eyeshadow looks, and different lip looks to pair it with. So yeah. Now I'm going to be going in and filling in my eyebrows very naturally, very lightly. So I'm going to be doing that with my It Brows Power eyebrow stuff.
I'm only a fool for.
Or if you you want to even go for a more natural look, you don't even have to fill in your eyebrows at all, because I bet you guys they are perfect just the way that they are. But if you want to, if you're in for the filling in your eyebrows, go for it, girl.
Maybe you're too good for.
Okay, so for this simple look, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Bar eyeshadow palette, my Morphe matte palette, so you guys will be seeing both of these. I'm going to be using a fluffier brush, and I will be using a more flat brush. You guys will see why. So with this palette, I'm going to be going in with this brush right here, and I'm using this color. It is a very neutral color, looks really natural, really good. I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced chocolate bar. I'm going to be going in with milk chocolate, which is right here. So if you guys want to add a little bit of glitter, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy eyeshadow, and I'm going in with this flat brush. Now I'm going to be going in with my Waterproof Better Than Sex mascara. So I will be using Maybelline New York in 545, which is Beige Fade. And now I'm going to be going into contouring and highlighting. So I will be using the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in Light. So I'm going in with my defining brush and just kind of tapping it, getting some of the product onto there. And I am using Java, in case anyone was wondering.
Pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you.
So I'm going over all the areas very lightly, still getting some contour and some bronzer, but not doing a whole lot. So she doesn't have much highlighter on, or very natural highlighter, so I'm going to be using my Profusion Strobe and Glow highlighter in Fairy Dust, which is the white one, just to give a little bit of highlight, but keep it natural.
Love me, even if it's fake.
And then I am going in with my Echo Tools highlight brush and blending it out.
Yeah.
So there is a very natural makeup look number 1, and now I will be showing you guys makeup look number 2.
At all.
So I'm going to be going in with my Morphe palette. So I'm going to start off with a really light neutral pink.
Yeah. At all. 'Cause I have hella feelings for you.
Okay, so with the Too Faced chocolate bar, I'm going to be using salted caramel, because it is a light brown, just so you can kind of define the crease a little bit. This is an optional, this is what I'm doing, but you guys do not have to do this.
Like they ain't even there. 'Cause I have hella.
After going in with that, I'm going to be taking this brush again and blending it out to make it nice and natural. And then with this flat brush, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe palette, that is the shimmer one. And we're going to be doing a very light, like white glitter, so I'm going to be going for this one right here.
Feelings for you.
So now I'm going to be using multiple types of mascara for this to really get a princessy look. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara.
Only a fool for you.
mascara. And I would be putting on eyeliner, but I am really bad, so I'm not going to attempt. But that is also something that I would do for this because it's in the picture. Since I'm trying to recreate it. So we are going to go in with the Heartfelt, which is the middle pink one.
Maybe you're too good.
And next, her cheeks are pretty defined, so you guys can go as far as you want with that. I think mine from the last one kind of goes well enough, so we're just going to leave it at that. And then I will be going in with my Sexy Mother Pucker Soap and Glory in the color Candy Queen.
For me, I'm only a fool for you.
Okay, so for look number 3, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. So I'm going to be going in with Milk Chocolate. And then I will be going in with Salted Caramel for the corner. So that look is pretty simple. I'm only going to be going in with this flat brush to do some white chocolate right here. I'm going to be getting white chocolate and doing the inner corners of my eye. Just like that. Now I'm going to be doing mascara, which you guys know the drill, or now at least. We're going with the waterproof mascara again. And then my Wonder Wand one. So as you guys can tell by the picture, her lips are darker. So I'm going to be going with my NYX Lingerie in the color Push Up. So that is the look. That one is very simple, very easy to do. No highlighter, nothing. As you can tell, it is a very matte face. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any more makeup videos that you guys would like me to do. Comment below what your favorite look was, 1, 2, or 3. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!